Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Mind Control. The song is Don't Let It Go to Your Head. The artist is CLEO SOL, and the choreography is Burnette. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also check out the choreographer. Please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go. sure you check out the step-by-step instruction. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Please check out the NOLA Southern Experience at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.